Hi, guys, and welcome to our Trap Adventure project. My name is Abdullah,
And my name's Abdulrahman.
and today we're going to give you a demonstration of this scratch game. So let's get straight into it. Let's start.
So first you have to choose your character and I'll pick green. So the point of this game is you have to collect all the fruits and jump over the hurdles. So if you touch the spikes or fall off the map, you'll die and restart the game. So if you collect all the fruits and jump over the hurdle successfully, you'll see this portal and you have to go through the portal and you'll reach level 2.
So each map, there's a new landscape, and it'll get progressively harder. And each level or map has new obstacles which are harder to beat every time. The cool thing about this game is that the portal will never open if you haven't collected all the fruits. So if you have missed any fruit behind, the portal will never open. So if you can see the portal is black right now since I missed this watermelon, and if I collect it, you can see the portal is now opened. Each map, as you see, there's a new landscape. Like this is now jungle and vines one, and there are new obstacles too. Now let me tell you how to find this game and how to play it as yourself. So you can go here on scratch.mit.edu. You go on the search bar and you can press and you can search abdulcool.12345. And as you press enter, you'll see our two projects. And here's our My Trap Adventure project. You can click on this.
And if you want to play this as a speed run, on the top right corner of the game, you'll see there's a time limit and you could try to beat our time, which is 103 seconds.
This game has over 500 plays, and this is one of our biggest projects ever. So we would like to thank our teacher Warda Arshad for teaching this to us. And thank you, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.